guys, PokeGo Vlogs here today. Here with my friend Peyton. We're
Hi.
gonna be opening up this box of dead bug
Football cards.
I
I bought it tonight. I begged him. And he bought it.
And begging means you're a begging person.
Alright, so we got,
Out of frosty.
it says we got 7 Don Russ football packs, plus 2 bonus 2015 Gridiron Kings.
Yeah, garbage.
And yeah, it's in there. So these are, no, other room. So these are the Gridiron Kings. Get 2 of these.
Liking some for more.
And then we get
Can I open
7
some of
of
the packs?
these.
Can I open some of the
Yeah, you can
packs?
open 2 of these. Or 3 of these. You can open 3 of these.
Oh, sure.
There's your 3.
Can I open one of these too?
No. Yeah. Alright, so here's the first pack. It only gives you 8 cards. These are, I'm not super excited for these packs. Alright, you have to open them from the back. There's this. Ready?
I'm very organ.
Alright.
You want me to That's Z?
So we got, looks like a Darren McFadden. Oh, Peyton Manning. He's my favorite player.
Is that
Peyton
a
Manning.
Colts?
Yeah, Colts.
Here, dude. We'll put this on the recap.
Ray Lewis.
That's going on on the recap. That one I might trade you.
Amari Cooper.
You want that on recap?
I don't care. Earl Campbell.
That's a recap card.
I don't care about
Let's see,
recap.
yeah, some- okay.
A Delaney Walker card.
Some of them that I think.
That's pretty cool. Ooh, a Gridiron Kings Devonta Freeman. That's nice. I like that. Ooh, oh, I don't know who this is. Josh Doxson, rated rookie.
My turn.
And random card. I don't even know what that is, but it's over
Here
there
we go,
now.
my boys.
I got my next one. Oh, wait, here's the next one. Oh, no,
Dude,
that's
did you do the card trick thing?
No, not really. No, the card trick. Nor do I care.
I think you. I was gonna say, I think you got a jersey. Oh, I got a Giants, dude.
Nobody likes the Giants shake-up.
I do.
I don't.
Cameron Hayward.
Hayward, yeah. I've heard of him.
Tyler Eifert.
Oh, he's pretty good.
Oh my God. No.
Oh, Colin. Wait. So, guys, you want to know what I say to this Colin Kaepernick? Now it's over in my trash can.
Allen Robinson.
Pretty good.
Matt Ryan.
Yeah, you
The
can
next
say it like
card's
that.
pretty good.
Whoa. Whoa.
Okay.
Whoa. A Hall of Fame Marvin Harrison.
That's good.
That's pretty nice.
Then
I
a
like that.
TJ Green safety, I
I have
believe.
no clue who that is. And then is there
These
one
two
more?
should go in the. Well, and then there's 15% off your NFL Pro Shop.
Yeah, I don't care about that.
Well, what if you buy something and it's worth like $1 million?
Here, ready? So the next pack. So we've got
We're gonna be doing
two
some
good
trading after this.
cards. Yeah, we've got
Dude,
two.
this is the whole recap by right here.
We've got 2 really good cards so far. All right, I don't know what this white thing is right here. Oh, it's just the same thing. Enjoy 15% off. We got James Starks.
You know his brother.
Yeah, I know that guy's brother. James Starks' brother. Emmanuel Sanders. John Riggins, old running back.
Oh, isn't that next one's nice?
Eric
Put
Dickerson.
him over here, so I see him. Daniel Sanders.
Richard Matthews. He's been doing good this year.
Had a brain freeze.
Denard Robinson. Tyler Eifert. His 13 touchdowns card. And Austin Johnson. That wasn't a great pack. Only the Tyler Eifert was kind of cool.
My turn, my dudes.
Come on. No, you don't open it like that. You hold the side and you pull the back tag. He's struggling.
Just open it a little.
He's having technical difficulties.
That was. Zach Ertz. Jamal Charles.
Ooh.
I think there's a die cut coming up.
Even though he's hurt, he's
He
still
is?
good. Yeah.
Pure Gal Salon.
I don't like Pure.
That dude.
What's his name?
Isaiah Cowell.
Crowell. Yeah.
Warren Sapp.
I don't know who that is.
Oh.
It's a really cool. It's a die cut Matt Ryan.
Numbered out of 75.
That's a nice card. I'm liking it. I'm loving it.
A league lead runners, Thomas Davis and Jamie Collins.
I know both of them. It's a Panthers player and Patriots.
This will probably win. And a rated rookie, Rashad Higgins for Cleveland Browns.
All right, my turn. I got 2 more packs, and then we got those 2.
Can I please open one of these?
Sure.
Yay!
Oh, this side.
You're getting all the cards anyways.
All right. Harrison Smith.
Who's going on a recap?
Harrison Smith. Kevin White.
He's not recap worthy.
Calvin Benjamin.
I don't know about him. Nah.
I see something special in here.
Khalil Mack.
Khalil Mack.
He's going in.
He's nice.
Pat
Pete.
He's going in.
Mark Ingram.
Ooh.
A nice John Elway. Just so you know, the Broncos are my favorite team, even though I'm wearing a Bill shirt.
Sometime.
Leonte Carrod.
We're going.
Rated rookie.
My turn. I'm super excited.
No, you don't have one. Oh, you do have one more.
Yeah.
Oh.
Eddie Lacy.
All right, let me get this out of the way.
Demarius Thomas. He can go. Mark Baron.
Baron.
Ted Ginn.
Stonehands.
TJ Yeldon.
Talk louder.
Tyrann Matthew.
Ooh, that one's cool. Who is that?
And Peyton Manning.
Yeah.
Peyton Manning, the sheriff.
I just flipped.
2002 holds.
Whoa.
And then this dude.
That's a nice card. That's going in the recap. Wait, where's the recap right there? Alright, this is our last pack that has
Before
the
the nice
golden.
ones.
Yeah, before the really good ones.
I'm going to sort out these out.
Oh, I opened it wrong.
These are like these ones.
Alright. A Dominique Rogers Cromartie from his favorite team. I don't really care about that.
Yeah, no one likes you.
Terry Bradshaw. It's going in the recap.
For sure.
Geno Atkins. I see a legend. Oh no. Tavon Austin.
Peyton.
Fast.
Your heart's probably pounding to death.
Robert Woods. Melvin Ingram. Oh my god. Legends of the Fall, Thurman Thomas.
Ooh, savage.
That's a nice card. Here. Recap. And then a...
Dude.
I can't even read his name. Howard something?
Hey,
or like
you open
something
your
Howard?
final pack first. Hold on.
No. You open this.
Oh, what's this one?
Alright.
Wait. This one feels
Come on.
heavier.
Either pack. So this is almost concluding the pack opening.
Oh my god.
That one looks cool.
Matthew Stafford.
I like how that looks.
You got an autograph. You got an autograph.
Can I see it? Oh, it's not that card.
It's this one right here.
Good thing it's not the Frank Gore.
Frank Gore.
He was good.
He can go to
Johnny
know.
Football.
Martian. Yeah.
Who?
Marshawn Lynch.
Oh, you said Mark.
Oh, it wasn't an autograph.
It was just a backwards one. Mike Wallace. That's cool. Witten.
Wait, this one might be autograph.
Whoa. That's like a bronze brim.
That's nice.
That's cool.
Cameron Lever.
Cameron R. Spain.
Another Johnny Football.
Oh my god. That's our second.
And a backwards. Ndamukong Kong Su.
Whoa.
Oh my
That's
god.
got this nice red outline.
Is it numbered at all? This is going in.
No, it's not.
These cards deserve to go in the
Alright,
recap of all.
Alright, last pack of the opening, guys. I'm sad it's coming to an end.
This one's fun though.
Yeah, it has.
This is gonna be a nice long video.
Well, if I could get it open, that would be nice.
Oh, I win.
This pack is making me angry. Open that.
This is easy. Yes, I actually landed that.
Okay. Ooh, a Gerald McCoy. Don't really know who that is. Oh no, he's a D tackle or D end. Kendall Wright. Calvin Benjamin. Ooh, a Ben Roethlisberger. Whoa, all-time stat king, Eric Dickerson. That's my favorite color right there. Green.
Green.
Yeah. Whoa,
God.
one of those like bronze brimmed Jameis. Whoa, wait, Gridiron Kings,
Fitzgerald.
Actionado, Larry Fitz.
Oh, another Fitzgerald right after that.
And, oh, a red-brimmed Fitzgerald. And then just this crappy kids card.
Kids are sad.
That was nice. That was a good pack opening, guys. And now we're going to do the recap?
Yes.
I'll do the recap. All right,
I picked
guys.
out the cards for it.
Going on the recap. He picked all the cards for the recap. Jameis Winston, bronze brim.
Is that in any particular order?
Larry Fitz, red brim. Larry Fitz, Actionado. Eric Dickerson, all-time stat king. Jason Witten, Gridiron King. Ndamukong Suh, red brim.
Another one of those. I like that Cameron.
Cameron Artis Payne, bronze brim. Thurman Thomas, Legends of the Fall.
Landed.
The Sheriff, Peyton
That's like
Manning.
your favorite one, probably.
Yeah. This really cool John Elway. This die cut Matt Ryan. Gridiron Kings, Devonta Freeman. I don't know why you put Rashad Higgins and Leonte Caro in the recap because they're just rookies.
They look cool.
These Jamie Collins and what's his face? Thomas Davis, league leaders. Tyler Eifert,
Frosty the Snowman.
13-yard touchdown.
No, not Frosty the Snowman. We'll have to whatever in there.
Hall of Fame Marvin Harrison. I don't know why you put TJ Green. Patrick Peterson.
You don't have to all that. So
Marius Thomas. Eric Dickerson. Teddy Bridgewater. Dominique Rodgers-Cromartie. Delaney Walker.
I got a Frankie's.
Peyton Manning. Ray Lewis. Emmanuel Sanders. Harrison Smith. Khalil Mack. And Tyrann Mathieu.
So I hope you
So,
guys. You can
You.
say something.
no, I'm fine.
Hope you guys did enjoy. And now you can say something.
That was fun. I liked it.
Yeah, I hope you guys like and subscribe for more. See you guys next time.